Hi, my name is Frank Geely, General Manager Construction and Forestry Sales at Hitachi Construction Machinery Australia. We're looking forward to exhibiting at the upcoming National Construction Equipment Convention from November 15 to 17 at Sydney Showground. Hitachi will have on display the latest ZX210X-6 excavator with GPS-based machine management, commonly known as ICT, which stands for Intelligent Communication Technology. Recently launched in Japan and Europe, the ZX210X with factory integrated 3D machine control has been developed as part of a comprehensive suite of ICT solutions for tomorrow's job site we call solution linkage. Over the next few months, we will be demonstrating the machine around the country and fine-tuning the specification to ensure it aligns with our customers' expectations. Also on display will be our ZW310 25-tonne wheel loader. Since the launch of the latest model loaders, ranging from 10 to 50 tonne, customer acceptance has been excellent. Sharing many features with the excavator range, these loaders offer unsurpassed operator comfort and an advanced hydraulic system ensuring precise, efficient and reliable operation. In addition to the free exhibition, a two-day conference will feature leading speakers highlighting project pipeline opportunities for the civil infrastructure sector and how to achieve successful project delivery outcomes. You cannot afford to miss out on this. Register for the free-to-attend exhibition now at ncecaustralia.com.au. I look forward to seeing you there.